Hey everybody, Economic Ninja here. We're going to talk about Bitcoin and why Fidelity says that Bitcoin is about to soar soon. And actually, I have my own opinion about that. It's really important information because we are in a confirmed bull market. Can't wait for this $65,000 price point to be confirmed. Give me 3 green candles right above that, and we are going to be crushing it. And we're going to be seeing all-time highs this year, but I think we're going to honestly see $100,000 Bitcoin this year. Listen, if you want to be on the AMA, before I start this video, the live AMA today, sign up down below on the newsletter, and an email will go out with sign-up links, and there's 1,000 people that are able to jump on, and we're going to have cryptocurrency experts on there talking about the actual state of the affairs right now and how you could take advantage of that. All right. I want as many people to make money from this as possible, and I want as few people to lose money, and that is the truth. No one will tell you that when they're trying to get you all hooked onto something, but there is a lot of risk when it comes to Bitcoin and a lot of gains, and I want to show you how to maximize gains and minimize loss. It says here, Fidelity is talking about, oh, you got to be kidding me. The video just, I literally go, hey, I'm going to read the story, and then they come up and they go, oh, you can subscribe. Oh, you guys are lame. Let's do this. Stand by. This is what happens. Boom. Subscribe. I subscribed. Okay, the point being is that all of these companies know that massive money is moving into the crypto space, especially with Bitcoin and Ethereum because of these ETFs. All right, super simple to figure out, but this is what they say. Bitcoin is traditionally seen as a risky asset, but its volatility isn't consistent. It ebbs and flows as the market enters manic phases and cools off again. What's more, the top cryptocurrency's volatility has reached historic lows in the last 12 months, even though its price hit an all-time high. Why? Because more people are pushing in, but the amount of money pushing in from big banks and wealthy funds, corporate offices, family offices, is immense, and that is keeping the stability a little bit more. There's still going to be big swings up, like I said, over $100,000. There's going to be big swings down. But over time, the more money and people that push into a technology, it actually causes it to become more stable. All right? Now it says it's a sign that Bitcoin could experience another massive price increase. Fidelity Investments research analyst Zach Wainwright wrote this in a May 1st report. He says the prediction comes as Bitcoin recovers from the wobble it saw it fall below 57,000 mark last week. It's currently trading above 63. It's actually, as of the recording of this, down a little bit. I still am not confirmed that this next leg up is going to start until we see about 65,000. I have got my cash in my trading account still waiting for a couple of key points when to buy. But I have also a long-term sort of hodl set up there. Now it says, with volatility reaching historic lows, traders should prepare for Bitcoin to become more valuable. If only because there are little to no signs of trading mania. Investors have historically experienced large price increases in short periods of time once all-time high prices were revisited and subsequently broken under these circumstances, Wainwright said. Now, let me explain that. There is a move coming in the altcoin market that is going to melt people's faces. And I'm excited about it. I've been through 4 of those cycles, and I can't wait for that moment. There are going to be AI and meme stocks that are going to blow up in price. We're talking, I'm not joking, thousands of %, but they're going to go down even harder when they change. And so people need to learn how serious this is and how to avoid that. But there's a lot of money to be made. You know, it's funny. I've been talking about Bitcoin ever since it was 5. I bought my first one around $500, and I've been talking about these cycles, and people just mock it. And everyone that mocked it, I said, why don't you just buy $10 worth of Bitcoin? And most people that are mocking don't even understand that you could buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. They think they've got to own a whole Bitcoin. Blows my mind. But that's what happens with mockers. They don't understand a technology or something going on in the world, and they'd rather mock it because they're insecure. Well, insecurity, throw it out the door if you want to actually be rich, because you can't be insecure and be wealthy. It's actually very rare in billionaire, multimillionaire, centimillionaire, and billionaire traits that I've come to know over time. It's like, why not just buy $10 worth and just look at it, or, you know, mess with it, see what it's like, instead of going and buying a Happy Meal at McDonald's in California. Think about it. Those things are probably 20 bucks now. So you need to understand how this works, because now that Wall Street's involved, holy cow, I can't wait to see what happens. And going into a presidential election and an economic crash, Yeah, the world's largest pension fund in Japan. It's the world's largest pension fund. They're going, oh, we're $1 trillion pension fund. Yeah, we think we're going to start buying Bitcoin. Can you imagine what's going to happen? Get ready for it. If you want to be on the AMA, it's live, it's free, it's limited to 1,000 people. The link's down below. You'll get an email around 12 noon today Pacific time. The Economic Ninja is out.